Hello everyone and welcome to my channel of Self-Value Investing, a channel where knowledge on investment is being shared regularly with the objective of growing your capital towards the ultimate goal of achieving financial freedom. In the latest Global Wealth Report, there are 46.8 million millionaires worldwide, whereby the numbers went up by 1.1 million over the last 12 months. Now, when we look further into these millionaires, we notice all of them will normally have multiple streams of income. And as such, in today's video, I'll be talking about the millionaires' 7 different types of income. One may start to wonder, what are the 7 different types of income that bring them great fortune? Number 1, active income, or rather earned income. One of the examples of active income would be a job. It is whereby you trade long hours a day to earn your monthly salary. Most of us will start from here, whereby we are fresh graduates and are applying for entry-level job. The goal of the active income group would be to climb the corporate ladder and strive towards the executive level. However, what we need to take into consideration is that this income is the highest tax, which can amount to 40% of your pay. Wise decision between a job or career will also determine your hourly wage, which is important to accumulate your wealth. The second would be profit income. Profit income can come from selling product, services, and business. To achieve this, one will need to jump from the employee quadrant to the business quadrant. You will need to have a business plan and execute it accordingly. When your business is doing good and generating consistent revenue, you can sell it to interested party for a good profit. The third one will be interest income. The best example of interest income will be fixed deposits in the bank as well as government bonds. These tools will be of a lower risk and the interest will be declared upfront. Another interesting concept of interest income will be the compound effect, whereby interest gains are reinvested into the same investment tools. The earlier you start, the stronger the snowball effect would be. Moving on, we have the dividend income. Dividend is the money that is paid to shareholders as a token of appreciation for investing in their company. For example, let us take a look at McDonald's stock. McDonald's have been giving out an average of $3.92 per share throughout the past 5 years, with its dividend per share in an increasing trend. Next, we have the rental income. This income will require us to purchase real estates in a strategic location and then renting it out to potential customers and gain monthly rental. It could be an office or an apartment at a strategic location with large crowd or tourists. It could have been a piece of wasteland with future investment in property development. The most important thing to consider when rental income is whether the rental will be able to cover your monthly installment to the loan taken. 6. Capital gain. During an economy downturn or recession, a lot of good companies' share price as well as real estate's price will drop. This is a good time for us to spot on some of the good company or properties and then purchase it now since they are undervalued. When the economy later turns for the better, we will be able to sell the shares or properties we purchased at a much higher price, securing a handsome profit. Last but not least is the royalty income. These are incomes from selling your brand to others for them to operate. Everyone around the globe will definitely hear of McDonald's, Subway, Starbucks, and Burger King. They are often known as the franchisee and franchisor relationship. If you do find my video informative, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe as well as turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the upcoming video.